The ViewSonic software suite is now integrated with InformaCast Fusion and mobile, so you can quickly send out alerts during urgent situations. Sending out alerts and notifications. CAP messaging. Send out mass notifications to ViewSonic displays by following these simple steps. Step 1. Log in to your InformaCast mobile dashboard. Step 2. From the side menu, select Recipients, Outbound Systems, and Outbound CAP. The List Outbound CAP endpoint page should appear. Step 3. Click the Create icon. The Create Outbound CAP endpoint page should appear. Step 4. Enter a name and location of your endpoint under Name and Location. Step 5. Click the Create icon next to the Connection Configuration drop-down menu. The Add Connection Configuration pop-up window should appear. Step 6. Log in to your My Viewboard Manager dashboard at myviewboard.com. After you've logged in, click Manager. Step 7. Select Settings, CAP Messaging, and create CAP URL. The endpoint dialog box should now be interactive. Type out CAP name. Step 8. Choose your device group from the drop-down menu from the Outbound CAP endpoint. Step 9. Press Create the CAP URL. Username and password have all been created and are ready to be copied. Step 10. Copy the CAP URL and navigate back to the InformaCast dashboard to paste the data. Do the same from the username and password. Save when finished. Congratulations! The Outbound CAP endpoint has now been created. How to send an alert. Step 1. On the left side menu in the InformaCast mobile dashboard, select Notifications and Message Templates. The List Message Templates page should appear. Step 2. Select the message template for your notification. Step 3. Under Recipients, select the endpoint you created earlier by going through the Outbound Systems drop-down menu. Step 4. Customize the details of the message or use the pre-filled template. Step 5. Under Advanced Settings, customize the message expiration and time. Selecting default will display the message for approximately 1 minute. Step 6. Select Send to push out the outbound CAP message to the endpoint. Congratulations! Your message has now been sent out.